Every day, I imagine a future where I can be with you. In my hand is a pen that will write a poem of me and you. The ink flows down into a dark puddle. Just move your hand and write into his heart. But in this world of infinite choices, what will it take to find that special day? What will it take to find that a special day? Da-ding da-ding, da-ding da-ding, da-ding da-ding, ding da-ding da-ding, da-ding da-ding, da-ding da-ding, da-ding da-ding, ding da-ding da-ding. Have I found everybody a fun assignment to do today? When you're here, everything that we do for fun is for them anyway. When I can't even read my own feelings, what good are the words when a smile says it all? And if this world won't write me an ending, what will it take just for me to have it all? Do 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 do, la 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 la, di do la lu la. Does my pen only write better words for those who are dear to you? Is it love if I take you? Or is it love if I set you free? The ink flows down into a dark puddle. How can I write love into reality if I can't hear the sound of your heartbeat? What do you call love in your reality? And in your reality, if I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be.